Hello Alasdair, it's Zurab here at Vas Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2012 Mini Cooper. It's a Countryman. It has about 100,000 kilometers on it. Price is for $11,488 plus HST and licensing. The vehicle comes fully certified, it's been fully detailed and is ready to go. Drives excellent, white on black, has a navigation, it's a keyless entry, keyless start. It's locked right now, so here we go. It's in really nice condition. You were asking me about the claims. I know it has two small claims, $3,000 and $4,000. They both claims are on the back, so I'm pretty sure this bumper was replaced a couple times, so both claims are in the back. There is no frame damage or structural damage on the vehicle. It's non-branded, of course. Just two claims in 2015 and 14. So here I'll show you the vehicles inside. So here we go, press the button. It asks me to put the seat belt and accept. Here we go. Everything works. All the power option, double sunroof, the glass sunroof, so it is in great shape. If you have any questions regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.